Hi kids, welcome back to Kiddo Color Club. Let's draw, color, and rhyme together. Today we're going to draw a cute cartoon pig. So, grab your pencil and let's begin. Step 1. Draw a big oval for the head. Step 2. Now add 2 small circles for the eyes and 1 bigger circle for the cheek. Step 3. Draw the snout at the front, like a potato shape with 2 little nostrils. Step 4. Add the smiling mouth and 2 round ears on top. Step 5. Now, draw the dress. It's like a triangle without the top. Step 6. Add arms and hands like little twigs with 3 fingers. Step 7. Time for the legs and shoes. 2 lines and ovals for feet. Step 8. Don't forget the curly tail at the back. Yay! We've drawn it! Now let's color it bright and fun.
Pink and red and lots of sun. 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 Smile so big and dress so neat. Smile so big and dress so neat. Our biggie friend is super sweet. Our biggie friend is super sweet. Our piggy friend is super sweet. Our piggy friend is super sweet. Color with love. Color with cheer. Color with love. Color with cheer. Your drawing is the best, my dear. Your drawing is the best, my dear.
Great job, little artists! You made this pig look amazing with your colors. If you enjoyed this activity, don't forget to like and subscribe to Kiddo Color Club. We'll see you again soon with more fun drawings. Until then, stay happy and colorful. Bye-bye.